So this is Jan 2021, question number 7. So when you look into this question, you might think that it is a very difficult one, but this is one of the easiest in this question paper. So solar panels are installed on the roof of a building, and you can see the y-axis is given by kilowatt, and the x-axis is the number of hours. The power P produced on a particular day in kilowatt is mentioned in the y-axis. Can be modeled by the equation P is equal to 0.95 plus 2 to the power of t minus 12 plus 2 to the power of 12 minus t minus 12 the whole square, where t is the time in hours after midnight. The graph of P against T is shown in figure 1. A table of values of T and P is shown below. Find the values of P given to four significant figures where appropriate. So time is given. Power is what we need to find out. We need to find out the power when time T is 10 hours, and then we need to find out the power when time is 11.5. So this is just substituting in your calculator. So when time is equals to 10, so we have the equation for P given here. Wherever you have T, you just replace it with 10. So 0.95 plus 2 to the power of T is 10. 10 minus 12 is minus 2 plus 2 to the power of 12 minus t. T is 10, so 12 minus 10 is 2, minus t is 10. 10 minus 12 is minus 2, minus 2 the whole square. So when we put this in calculator, we will be getting the value for power when time t is 10 hours is 1.2. Now the same thing we have to do, just substitute in that equation for P here. Wherever we have T, we just have to substitute it with 11.5. So 0.95 plus 2 to the power of 11.5 minus 12. 11.5 minus 12 is minus 0.5 plus 2 to the power of 12 minus t. 12 minus t means it is 12 minus 11.5. 12 minus 11.5 is 0.5 minus, in bracket, t minus 12. T is 11.5. 11.5 minus 12 is minus 0.5 the whole square, which will give us, and since it's mentioned that we need to give it to four significant figures, round to four significant figures, your answer is going to be 2.821. Now, the amount of energy, that is the A part done, it's just a 2-mark question. So the amount of energy in kilowatt hour produced between 10 and 12, so that is this area, 10 and 12 can be found by calculating the area of region R, shown shaded in figure 1. Use the trapezium rule with all the values of P in the completed table to find an estimate for the amount of energy produced between 10 and 12. Give your answer to 2 decimal place. So we know trapezium rule. Using trapezium rule to find the area, it is h by 2 into y1, that is the first value, plus 2 times second, third, and fourth, that is 1.8. Okay, I'll write the formula first. y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus the last term, 2, that is y5 here. So that is y5. This will give us the area using trapezium rule. So h is basically the class width, 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12. So each class width we can see this is 0.5. Or else we have a formula to find out h. H is equals to b minus a divided by n. B and A are the upper and lower limit. So upper limit is 12, lower limit is 10. So that is 12 minus 10 divided by n is the number of strips. So here, in my previous video also, I have explained how to find out the number of strips. Just count the number of columns here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we have 5 columns, subtract 1 from that. 5 minus 1 is 4. So that will be the number of strips. Suppose if we were having 8 columns here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then number of strips will be 8 minus 1, 7. So this is 12 minus 10 is 2, 2 over 4, which is 0.51 by 2. So we have, or else you can just simply see here 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12. It all differs by 0.5. So your class width is 0.5. Or else you use this formula. 0.5 divide by 2 into y1 is 1.2 plus 2 times y2 1.882 plus y3 is 2.45 plus y4 is 2.821 plus y5, that is 2.95. So let's just put this in calculator to get the area. So first I'm going to multiply 2 with 1.882 and 2.45 and 2.821, which will give me 14.306. I'll add that 2.95 and 1.2 to it, and then I'll multiply it with 0.5 by 2 is 0.25, which will give me 4.614 will be the area. So here 4.614, since it's mentioned that give your answer corrected to 2 decimal place, so this will be 4.61 will be the final answer. So that was a straightforward question. Even though the question looks very complicated, it's very simple, straightforward. Apply the formula, get the answer. So I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.